Yep.
Okay. Now that you got a mouthful of chip.
Come here, buddy.
Come here. Come tell me what these are.
Look, my strawberry.
What's this one?
Look, my circle.
A circle. What's this?
Look, my star.
Yeah. What's this one?
Look, my scar.
Good. What's this one?
Look, my diamond.
Good. What's this one?
Look, my heart.
Good job, buddy. What's this one?
Look, my atoning.
Good. What color is this circle?
A circle.
What color? Is it purple?
It's circle.
What color is the star?
It's still white.
Good. What color is the square?
Blue.
What color is that?
It's green.
What color is the heart?
It's orange.
Good. What color is the triangle?
It's yellow.
Good job, buddy. All right. Do you know what this is?
A curve.
It looks like a square. It's a rectangle.
Look,
Yeah, good.
Mommy, a ladybug.
Oh, it's just a crumb. It's not a ladybug.
Yeah, cat.
It's just a crumb.
Cat.
Here, look at this one. Do you know what this is?
A bucket, Mommy.
This is an oval.
Yeah.
It looks like an egg.
Egg.
Do you know what this one is?
Base.
Oh, it's a flower. It does look like berries. It's a flower.
Saturday.
Uh-huh.
Ah,